Hi, I'm Dorina. For today I was planning a quick and easy DIY, and today I'm going to make an infinity wrap top. So I have this beautiful fabric. I found it in a charity store a few days ago. It was 39 Danish crowns, so it was pretty cheap, and it's about, I would say, 2.5 meters, and I suspect that it's a viscose knit. It doesn't have too much stretch to it, even though it's a knit, so probably it's a knit without any elastane in it, but since it has a beautiful drape, I think it's viscose, because usually cotton fabrics are not so drapey. So this one, I'm almost certain that it's a viscose knit. So I'm going to use this fabric to make the wrap top, and I've been planning to make a wrap top for a long time, because I really would like to have a travel top, since these wrap tops can be worn in so many different ways. I think it would be something great to have on a travel, since it only takes up as much space as one piece of garment, but it can be worn so many different ways. It's like, having 10 tops in one. So I think it would be great for traveling, and also it could be a great piece in a capsule wardrobe. So the next step is I'm going to cut a really long rectangle out of this fabric. I will write the measurements on the screen once I figured out those. But there are different ways to make this top, but today I would like to try one without using my sewing machine, so everyone could try it at home, not just the ones who own a sewing machine. So I'm going to cut a long strip of the fabric. I'm going to use my rotary cutter instead of scissors, because I find that I can achieve a much nicer and cleaner cut with my rotary cutters. But you can definitely use scissors as well. It shouldn't be a problem. Finished cutting the fabric, and I ended up cutting a piece that is 30 centimeters wide and 2 meters and 45 centimeters long. And I've already tried it on, and the thing is that unfortunately I think it's not long enough to make as many styles as I wanted to. So if you want to do this project on your own, I would recommend that you cut a piece of fabric that is, well, I would say at least 3 meters long, but probably you would be better off cutting a piece that's 3.5 meters. And another thing that I would change if I could is using a fabric that has more elasticity, since yeah, it would be easier to do some of the styles with a more elastic fabric. Now I'm going to show you how to do a few styles with this one. I hope you enjoyed my video, I hope it was helpful, and if you're planning to make this dog, or if you made it already, please leave a comment so I will know how did it go. Thank you, bye!